What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And I know it's Friday, everyone's happy except for my portfolio. But I bought a new stock and it's looking very, very good. But before we get into talking about all the things I've did today, and I'm planning to do this following week, to gain a lot of my money back and potentially get back to where I was before or even higher, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy my videos and uploads. I'd really appreciate it a lot. It helps me out incredibly. So, starting out, the first stock that I traded today, in the new stock, is VHI, but I'm going to leave that for the end because it's the most exciting stock. So, we'll start with DWT. I've been holding this one, and this one I'm deciding to make a harsh decision as well as TVIX. Except TVIX, I might be holding like a 1 or 2 more days. DWT, if it doesn't reverse and it's looking like it's I think it's gonna create a head and shoulders pattern. I'm sorry, I fumbled a lot. I think it's gonna create a head and shoulders pattern, which you can't see on DWT on the Robinhood charts, obviously. But if I look at the crude oil prices, it looks super overextended and it looks like it's on its way down. But if it does spike up tomorrow, that means it'll probably just be on a continuous uptrend, and I may flip to UWT. So that's just my opinions on DWT, and let's go into TVIX. TVIX right here has been dropping like crazy, 41% this last month, and I'm down around 20% on it. I bought it on a little spike right here, I think it was, right here, and it's looking sort of promising. If you look at the chart, it has 50% or 60% right now profit potential, but the minus side on that is it may be starting to create its own pattern soon. It's basically the inverse of SPY, except slightly more volatile. So if you look at SPY is looking like it's at a resistance, and today, well, I would classify this as a double top pattern. One top, the second top, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna go down. If it doesn't go down from here, you know what that means. I'm selling my TVIX shares. I'm selling my TVIX shares, and I'm probably switching on to something that's in favor of S&P 500, of the S&P 500. As you can see, it's at the resistance right here where it used to peak out. And it's at it right now. And if it doesn't start to trend downwards, then I'm out of TVIX, because TVIX would profit based on that. So, yeah, I'm done with that one. But Crocs, also very promising. I might just sell, if these aren't going to go well, I might just sell these at a decent price and take my money back and invest them all into Crocs and VHI. But before I talk about VHI, I'm going to talk about Crocs. So, Crocs is a pretty interesting stock. It's been on an uptrend, surprisingly. I mean, I don't know who buys Crocs. But, yeah, it's bounced off the support recently. The support was right around right here. It bounced up, had a little pullback, and now starting to trend back upwards. So I think right now wouldn't be the worst time to buy some more shares. I'm up like 17 cents, not much on this stock, but I am planning to buy some shares if I do end up selling my DWT and TVIX shares. So yeah, that's just my opinion on Crocs, and also has pretty large profit potential, which is around, since this is uptrending pattern, it'll probably hit like around 32, 33, even maybe $34. So that's around $5 profit margin on this stock. And yeah, so VHI, the most exciting one, someone called it out in the Discord server. I'm sorry, I don't remember who did, but thank you for calling that out, whoever did that. Awesome stock right here, Val High, if that's how you say it, VHI. Looks pretty neat. It's on an uptrend. It had some bad times previously, but that also shows it's capable of going up a lot more. I don't think this would serve as a resistance because it already won over this price. So this only will go upwards. And the thing I'm just holding myself back from is I'm waiting for the stock to have a little pullback like it did after hours today. Just slightly bigger, like right around here, like it did. Maybe it's going to fall 5-10%, and I'll enter with like a larger position, at least like 20, 30, 40 bucks. And I mean, today I traded it, I was up like $6. I mean, 6% on it. But after hours, it fell a little bit. So I'm just waiting to enter into this stock. I'm going to put in more shares. I'm just going to be just a little bit aware of the earnings report because it's on March 14th. It's pretty far away, but just in case I do tend to hold it that far. So that's basically it for today's video. Today's watch list was pretty neat, and I didn't do much except for buy VHI. Planning to sell TVAX, DWT, and planning to buy more Crocs and VHI. Like I said during the video, just a quick recap of what I said. And if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it again if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would help me out a ton. Thank you for the support. We're over 315 subscribers right now, and I really want to thank you all guys for that, and girls. So for those who don't know what it is that I'm doing, just gonna tell you a really quick explanation of what I'm doing. So previously I started challenge from $500. This shows 700 because I deposited 200 to restart the challenge. But I started with 500. I grew it to 850, I think it was. So I grew my money by around 50%, and it was only like a month or two. So it was going really well with swing trading. And then I tried some options, and it completely tanked my account down to 0. And I couldn't get out of there, so that's when I decided to restart and just do swing trading. That's why I don't do options anymore. I may do some paper trading options just to get some more experience, but I'm probably not going to be going into that. So that's why I stick with swing trading. It's been going pretty well for me. The last like 3 weeks it has, except for these 2 weeks. It just completely failed me. I failed myself. And I'm planning to grow my $200 up to $1 million. And that will take around 5% growth every week to grow to $1 million. So it may seem like it's impossible, but it's actually not that bad. It's 5% every week for 3.5 years to 4 years to grow it to $1 million. As you can see, I've been down these 2 weeks, so I'm gonna have to like go back a little bit, but I'm still pretty confident about my trading and that I'll definitely get to that milestone. So if you guys want to see my journey, I'd really appreciate if you guys could subscribe, and you can watch my every step of the way. I make daily uploads of me reaching that goal of $1 million, and you can learn from my mistakes, learn from my success, and just help yourself with trading as well. And you can find some stock ideas or whatever you'd like. And for those who are watching Robinhood videos and haven't yet started trading stocks on Robinhood, if you'd like a free stock, I have a referral link in the description below. If you use this special link, then you will get a free stock on Robinhood. Completely free. It's no like sketchy scam or anything like that. You get a free stock, and I also receive a free stock, which is good for the both of us. So there's no point in like not doing it because you think it's a scam. Many people have done it. I can show you proof of me getting many free stocks right here. This one wasn't redeemed yet, so this person didn't sign up. But 1, 2, and 3, I got 3 free stocks. If you'd like to join, please go ahead and use. If you don't want to use my referral code, use someone else's. But it'll help you out because it'll give you a boost with the free stock. Alright guys, so if you aren't in my Discord server, and you're probably wondering, Casper, just stop talking. This is the last thing, I promise. Discord server, link in the description. Around 60 people already right now. It's growing like crazy. If you want to join, go ahead. It's free, and it's really nice. Everyone's shouting out stocks, helping out each other, and it's just a fantastic place. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, taking your time to watch this video, and I hope you liked it. And so that's basically it. So I hope you have a fantastic weekend.